What's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Tron coin price will starting pumping up 0.61% in last 24 hour. Tron will starting increasing. You can see, so definitely this is very suddenly starting moving upward, and I can't expect this, my friends, from Tron. But this time, Shiba Inu will get 30% profit, my friend. The Tron is just and only get 0.61, but Shiba Inu will get 30% profit. So the Dogecoin will get 10% profit, my friend, just and only in last 12 hour, my friend. So absolutely from last 12 hour, all crypto market is starting moving upward, and I can't expect this, my friend, to how is it possible. So definitely from my friend, you can see here this time, my friend, you can see here absolutely they will starting moving up, and I hope, my friends, so they will get a 200% profit, and they will easily hit now 0.2 USD dollar, my friend. 0.2 is possible if they just only get, my friends, 5% profit. So 5% profit they will need. I hope, my friends, to in 24 hour they will easily, in upcoming 24 hour they will easily hit this now, my friend. But kindly hold that this is also possible if you are starting holding, investing, and buying more and more. Otherwise, my friend, this is really impossible, my friends, so they will hit this target now. So thanks for watching, Tron coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, to at the end of month Tron will give you a double profit. Yes, my brothers, so my prediction is also going positive, and expert says, my friends, so the price will be increasing because, my brother, in previous days the price is very badly dumps down. So remember to, after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore my advice for all of you to hold down and don't starting selling. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.